So what's up, guys? Today I'm going to be taking a look at the carburetor. Basically the only thing I know about it is that it's a Rochester Quadrajet, and that whenever I get into upper RPMs it does this. So somebody on Reddit had actually kind of given me an idea about what could be going on with it, that there could be an issue with the secondary flapper on it, and there's just a set screw pretty much that changes that. So I'm going to get into it and see if I can get that fixed. So now that we have the air cleaner off, we have one very important thing to do, and that's figure out what CFM we actually have. Some of these carburetors are 750, some of them are 800 CFM. The way that you can tell if it's a 750 or an 800 is by looking down the primaries. And if you look down them, you can see this little bump right here. If the carburetor has that bump, then it's an 800 CFM. If it does not have that bump, then it's a 750 CFM. So, after looking at that, finding we have an 800 CFM carburetor, that's kind of cool actually. Now we just need to figure out how to fix the secondaries issue. So what I think is causing our issue is how these secondaries open and close. They seem to be closing pretty good, but I'm wondering if maybe they need to be tighter. I guess it's possible that this guy isn't working right, but he seems to be plunging. So basically what I understand of this, though it's not the way that I saw online, initially I checked out this guy's video, put a card up there, about how the Quadrajets work. Okay, hopefully the camera will stay focused, but basically what would happen is whenever there's vacuum, high vacuum, this plunger will suck in, keeping these secondaries from being able to open. Then whenever you open up the throttle and you reduce your vacuum, it'll allow this to come off, which allows your secondaries to come open. So I guess it's possible that this guy is not ever releasing. Maybe it's only staying on with the low vacuum. I might have to do some tests with that. But the other thing is the spring that's right on the back side of this, there's an Allen head right here that you loosen up, and then you adjust this little screw. God, I hope it's of course not staying in focus, but so with that, we adjust this, the closing of the secondary flapper here, and I don't know, maybe it's too tight, maybe it's not tight enough. Basically what we want is for it to spring shut but open as easily as we can while still fully springing shut. So we'll play with this spring a little bit and see what we can get out of it. So now that we have the spring adjusted, let's go ahead and take it for a ride and see if that fixed anything. Sorry if wind noise is high. But it's on its balls. change did actually fix the cutting in and out issue, but by doing that we actually caused another issue where when we mash the gas real hard, it falls on its face, then comes back into power. When I adjusted that set screw, I adjusted it a full 180 out. So all I should have to do is tighten it back up a little bit at a time until I get it set perfectly. So just gonna be a little bit of trial and error until we get it right. For now, I think that's just gonna be the end of the video here. So I just want to thank you guys for watching this video. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it, thumbs down if you disliked it. Leave a comment, tell me what you think. Tell me if you think the truck sounds good. I think it sounds dope, but let me know what you think. And, don't forget to subscribe.